whoever's watching this video. On the review sheet, there's a couple problems that have a lot of zeros outside of the first digit in a number. There's a little rule of zeros we kind of talked about before, in case you forgot. Here's how the rule of zeros work. As long as you have numbers that are the first numbers that are not zeros, and the rest of the digits are zeros, you can have the rule of zeros. So this one, the first number, is not a zero, and the rest are zeros. First number, not a zero, the rest are zeros. First number, not a zero, the rest are zeros. First number in this number of 200 is a 2, not a zero, the rest are zeros. So all of these, you can do the rule of zeros on there. The rule of zero basically means you can take all the numbers that aren't zeros, multiply them, and add your zeros back on. So 8 times 5 is 40. Then I have 2 zeros, so I add those 2 zeros on. 80 times 50 is 4,000. 7 times 3 is 21. I have 1, 2, 3 zeros, so add those 3 zeros on. So 700 times 30 is 21,000. A little comment there for some of my students who like that. 9 times 2 is 18. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, so add those 4 zeros on. And my answer is 180,000. So 900 times 200 is 180,000. Last one, I have 8 times 1 is 8. And I have 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8,000 times 1,000 would be 8 million. This is the rule of zeros. You can do this anytime that you have numbers in the front of your number that aren't zeros. And then you have zeros for the rest of your numbers. So if you had something like this, this is still pretty possible. So I got numbers in the front that aren't zeros, and then zeros that are in the back part. Same thing here. So I could just do 42 times 2. That's 84. And add my 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. My answer is 840,000. So 4,200 times 200 is 840,000. And that is the rule of zeros that can make some of your math problems that you get much quicker and easier.